Hi guys, I'm Sasha Sharma. Welcome back to Get Candid with Sasha, and today I have my dear friend Rishabh.
What's up, Sasha?
So good to see you here. Tell us who you're wearing today.
So I'm wearing Line Tribe by Gaurav, one of the best garments I've worn till now.
We're twinning. I'm also wearing Line Tribe. Okay, now we're going to get to some fun questions. Rishabh has been a great model back in the day and now a great actor. I mean, if you've missed any of his movies, you got to watch it right now. But really, Rishabh, you've really outdone yourself. You've worked really hard on yourself as well, that I know. We've seen it. One word to describe your mood right now.
A little bit stressed about going back.
Why?
But there'll be too much traffic at this point of time. But no, honestly, jokes apart, I'm feeling very light and I'm feeling very relaxed because the show was actually a nice show to watch.
With you on this, I think the collection was really, everything was put together very well.
Dude, I saw this outfit and I was in love with it. I was like, I don't know how I'll wear it, but I need to wear
But
it.
it's looking very good on you, like amazing. What's your Fashion Week survival kit if you were attending 2-3 shows for your friends?
Lots of water.
Guys, listen to this. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate.
Always keep hydrating.
Most iconic fashion memory you've ever had?
Most iconic fashion memory I've ever had would be... Actually, there are a couple. The first one being where I walked as the showstopper for the first time recently. Then meeting Rohit Bal when I started my career. He was actually the first person I met in fashion. And yeah, I mean, there have been a lot more memories while doing modeling.
If you were a fabric, which one would you be and why?
Silk, because I flow.
Love that, love that. Runway or red carpet, which one do you secretly love more?
Red carpet. Because, I don't know, I mean, I just enjoy that more. Red carpet, that's like the pap, the attention, everything. I really like that.
Who's your fashion crush this season? It can be anybody, literally.
I have this friend who he has his own brand of, suits. And he goes to this exhibition in Italy. I saw this man over there who was dressed to perfection. I'm forgetting the name, but that guy is hands down the taste of the season, or every season, I would say.
Thank you so much for talking to us, Rishabh. I literally grabbed you from your friends. But thank you and hope to see you back again and Get Candid with Sasha Sharma.
Let's go for Sasha Sharma. Let's go, party fam.